I will tell you how to create typography in Canva. Let's dive into Canva tips and tricks. First of all, go to the Elements section and search for birds. After that, I will pick this as an example for you. And then I will remove its background like this. Let me adjust it on the whiteboard. Yeah, like that. Now I will search for colors in the Elements section. After that, I will pick this color from the photos in the Elements section and adjust it as the image background. Bingo! Just like that. Adjust image on that perfectly. Now download it as PNG file. Okay guys. After adding a blank page, I will upload the photo we just downloaded and set it as the image background. Then, I will go to Frames in the Elements section, search for the letter B picture frame, and add it on the image like this. Next, I will add the letter I, then R, and finally D. Adjust them perfectly. Bingo! Just like that. Now take the image and put it in the B letter picture frame. Double-click on it and crop it perfectly like this. Then, put the image in the letter I, after that in the letter R, and finally in the letter D. Adjust them like this. Bingo, guys! Now go to the background remover to remove its background. After that, delete the bird image and download these letters as PNG with a transparent background. Now add our first bird image and remove its background. After that, add our letter image and adjust it on the image very precisely. When you're done with that, go to Edit Image, then go to Shadows, and give the letter an outline, changing its color to white. Exactly like that. Then, download this image as a PNG with a transparent background. After adding a new page, change the color of the background and put our image on it, adjusting it perfectly. Yeah, beautiful. Exactly like that. Here is the final result. If you like my video, then like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you.